Yo, what's up, Investor Z? You say you just made a quick $100. You still trading the ES? Looks like we're about to get a trend line break on the Nasdaq, but we don't trust those. Yep, we don't trust trend line breaks on the Nasdaq. That shit don't work. Hmm. Yeah, and honestly, uh, I understand how you feel, Investor Z, because I feel the same way, man. Because yeah, the orb is definitely a great it's definitely a great strategy. It allows you to go to bed at night and just focus on one part of the market that behaves consistently. But man, that's only one trade of the day. What about the other trades? And then when the market moves, like gold last night, man, I was up all night with gold, man. I man, I will say last night made me like honestly, I probably need to write this down every day because for whatever reason, I forget why I have certain rules. I have the rules, they're there for a reason. And for whatever reason, I tend to forget why I have them. And then I'm constantly reminded of that. Like, I did not go to sleep last night at all. At all. Chasing gold. First, that shit stops me out. Then it does this shit right here. We'll talk about this too, because I mean, as you can see, this was an old trend line that gold reacted to and broke back down from. So I mean, we'll talk about that, but man, gold, I don't know, man. I should have took the price action as a sign, but dude, I don't know, man. Gold's just been man, man. So uh man. I was sitting there chasing gold all night and I hit daily loss limit on a trade that worked out. Like it took just enough to hit daily loss limit. And if it didn't tick me out, I would have got all my money back. And I would have broke even and probably had like maybe $100 of profit or something like that. But it ticked me out. I hit daily loss limit and then it worked. I was like, you know what? Yeah, gold has just been I don't know. I don't know. I hopped into my funded futures account and started revenge trading. And I mean, I'm not proud of this at all. I'm not proud of this, but I got a win last night. The position that took me out that hit daily loss limit, I took it in my funded futures, and I was able to get this move right here. And I went full port on this thing, man. I was full port on this, and I was able to get this one hit. And man, that shit pissed me off, man. And gold's been missing my limits all day today, man. Man. I had a limit right here. She missed me by a point, or she missed me by 9 ticks, man. I was like, yo, what the fuck? I wonder if she's gonna do it again right here. Mm. Hey, what's up, Cave Trader? Alfred, yeah, I'm probably gonna. Like I said, I'm gonna probably write down this rule every damn night so I can remember. Because over time, I forget. It's like, what do I got this rule for? Oh, that's a nice setup. Let me take it. And then before I know it, I'm up all goddamn night. My girl's like, I'm mad at you. You never came to bed last night. And I was like, shit. All right. I mean, all right. She was like, you ain't like it if I don't come to bed. If I stay up all night. And she right. And she right. But I didn't have the strength to tell her I was creeping with another woman. I was creeping with gold last night. Because that move on, man, look, this move on gold was crazy. This move on, like, dude, that was a crazy move, man. Crazy move. And like I said, I should have seen that coming. I was in the gold chat on Top Step. I was like, dude, man, I'm in this short with my stop above the highs. And you know when it went up, because I was already on tilt. I was like, dude, they was like, I don't think this thing is gonna break out because of low liquidity. I was like, dude, the market doesn't care about liquidity. If the market needs liquidity, it just won't leave no bear or bull behind. When there's volume, if you're trading on the right side of the market, 9 times out of 10, you won't get stopped out. But if you're trading on low volume, you're going to get stopped out regardless if you're on the right or wrong side of the market because it's generating liquidity. And there was a aggressive seller at 47, just hitting 47 all night. And I was telling myself, I was like, you know what? Oh yeah, he was right here. This is it right here. And then he got this drop. And so as soon as I got this drop, I was like, okay, good. I can go to bed and I can wake up with my targets filled. Man, I wake up, I look at my chart, I see this big giant green dildo candle. Mind you, it was like maybe I went to sleep maybe 20, 30 minutes. I woke up, saw this green dildo candle. I just woke up and I just haven't been to sleep since. And I was like, man, I was able to catch this move right here last night in my funded futures account, but my she missed my limit here, or no, she missed this limit here. She missed my long limit here, and it looks like she's about to miss my short limit. I'm like, God damn, bitch, let me get in this shit, man. Damn, stop playing with me. But anyway, gold was just definitely just missing my limits, man. And I felt like and the thing about my limits is that I front run. So I saw this area right here, saw the breakout. And so I was like, okay, so I'm a front run it a little bit. And it missed me by like a tick or something. I think I had my limit at probably, so I probably had it at 52.9. Yeah, 52.9. So it missed me by like 3 ticks. Or no, it missed me like two. So yeah, I had it like at 53 or something like that. And I was like, damn, it missed me by 2 ticks. And I was like, okay, that's fine. I'll just try to catch the short. And then look at this trend line. And it looks like, I don't know. Man, I don't know. Gold definitely has been she about to be on my list. She really about to be on my list for real. Yeah, that's kind of what I did too. You know, Investor Z, that's what really turns me off about trading the ES. Like jumping off a cliff feels better than trading the ES when it starts to grind like that. And that's almost not even an exaggeration. All right. So let's see let's see. We got 3 more minutes until the orb, and then I'll switch over to the Nasdaq. Yeah, probably like 6 ticks now, man. Probably nah, that's too much. Cause that I still wouldn't have gotten filled. Hmm. All right, so 3 more. Make sure my volume. So we are definitely trading with some volume today. I think the volume issue. I think the volume issue shouldn't. I think volume should no longer be an issue moving forward. You got that trend line break. I'm just gonna try to. I'm trading the retest of the trend line. I don't ever want to trade the initial break of a trend line. Sometimes it super works, and those are the times when it hurts the most because you're following your rules, or at least I'm following my rule about the trend line. But I'll trade the retest, and it seems like the trend line is right there at that orb high too. All right, we got 10 more minutes until the or 10 more minutes, 10 more seconds until the orb is confirmed. All right, all right. So we got roughly 448,000 contracts trading. All right, so the volume is in, the orb is in. All right. Yeah, good morning. Good morning, Santiago. You said no orb setup? Yeah. I bought the orb low. We'll see if the bulls hold it. I mean, with all this bullishness, I doubt that the bears knock it down here without it going higher. So that's what I'm betting, or that's what I bet on. You said all the firms have extended their sales. Honestly, isn't their best interest right now? I'm only looking for specific firm sales. I mean, the ones that are doing close to what 40, 50% off. That's what I'm looking for. I don't believe there is no firm in a position to try to keep their prices high. It's too much competition, and it's not that much market share either. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh no. Forgot about that. Forgot about that gold trade. I forgot about the gold trade. I forgot about it. Forgot about the gold trade. We got the Nasdaq acting coy at that first target, but that's nothing new. She acting coy around that first target like she ain't from these streets. Let that first target hit, baby. There we go, baby. All right, cool. Cool. We good now. We good. Let that first target hit, baby. Nice. All right, so we got 5 minutes into the 9 o'clock algo. 5 minutes. All right, so let's see what the market wants to do here. I doubt that we get a break to the downside. I mean, we could get a pullback to the downside, but it's highly unlikely that we get a break. I wouldn't assume that. What the hell was just that? What was that? He said that was lovely. It definitely was. And I hit that target right there, baby. If it hits the second target, I'm gonna pull the scale in. Okay. All right. Well, reduce the risk. Mm, I'll just reduce the risk. Mm, mm. You copy traded three. You're getting real comfortable with that, Alfred. All right, baby. Let's keep on going. Yep. Well, congratulations on that. Looks like we took the same trade. I just had a feeling that the market this bullish, there's no way that the market was going to break down like that past that low. It was going to buy at that low. All right, so let's see if we can get this last target hit. Okay. All right. So what I want to start doing, with that last target, I don't know if I want to start trailing it. Hmm. Mm, all right. So I got that. The gold trade worked out. Cool. It worked out. I just got my target filled on gold. You know, gold was being real nasty to me last night. I lost a lot of sleep because of her. Shit, if I was going to the gym today, cool. Contract size 7. Risk size 2 to 1. I'll probably put that up there. Of course, I knew the NQ was gonna do that. I know she was gonna do that. I know she was gonna do that. I know she was gonna do that. Mm, I knew she was gonna do that. I knew she was gonna do that. Mm. Well, Gainway, I don't need you to be short yet. Get short at 67. Get short there. He's he said, why? He front running my target. That's why. My target needs to get hit before this thing goes down. He said, you're long. NQ on a 5 minute open. Well, Actually, I mean, there is a I mean, all jokes aside, there is a range that the Nasdaq could be potentially rejecting from, and it is a range between about 670 to about 700. But you already know that the Nasdaq likes to front run, so it could have just hit that. But I think it wants to go higher. I don't think it wants to stop. I mean, it could stop at 70. I mean, it could, but I think it wants to go a little bit higher. I mean, at least touch that trend line. At least, I mean, if it's going to drop, at least fill those orders up there. And I'll show it to you afterwards, game weight, because I got this trade being recorded right now for my journal. I just realized that I can record the trade and actually just put it in my journal, and I can just rewatch the trade if I instead of just having a screenshot, I can just watch it. Watch what happens, win or lose. Instead of taking multiple screenshots, I can just record the video of it. I just closed the gold play that we took earlier today. Uh, I was only in a couple of ticks of drawdown and was able to get my target hit on that one. So I'm happy with that trade. Uh, yeah, honestly, I don't want to take the orb to the upside though. I don't want to take it. I don't think that we have a lot more room for upside. I think that run up in the Asian session, pre-market session, uh, I think that's probably majority of the move, man, because we're running into some serious supply, and I doubt it, man. Bears do suck. I mean, it's obvious they suck, but when they're combined with bulls taking their profits, I mean, bears can be very dangerous. So I think we're going to see a lot of profit taken at these highs. So I'm not gonna buy the orb high because I don't think I'm gonna get my target filled. I understand if you're saying if you're referring me to a bullish chart, I get it. I mean, but we all know this game that the market plays. We know the game. It's bullish until we get into an area where the market wants to take profit. I think we're getting close to that area because we had a significant drop from this area. And I mean, unless price just runs through it, then I mean, I guess. But We could see. We'll just see what happens. I'm just not gonna buy it. You said we have two massive gap ups. Huh. Says unless we fill those gaps, we could be this could be bearish. I think so too. I don't know. When did you lose the money, investor Z? When did you lose it? Hold on. Oh, okay, my bad. I didn't see that. Said you traded Asia last night for the first time and you went to bed pissed. All right, playing in that slow market. Yeah. 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 Okay. You know what, Nasdaq? You're just a nasty, nasty instrument. You are a nasty instrument. You know, she missed my so I was looking at a range and this is the drop right here. You're a nasty instrument. I just want you to know that. A nasty instrument. She missed so I was looking at 675 as an entry short and she missed me by 4. Like, man, I got to solve that problem. I'm so sick and tired of missing good entries, man. I'm so tired of the Nasdaq missing me by like a tick or missing me by like a couple of points. Like that shit be just it's so frustrating. So frustrating, man. Yeah, and this is why I didn't want to take that orb breakout high because I don't think we got that much room for upside left in this move. Not saying that this is not a pullback and that they can buy, but I just don't think that you got that much room to the upside. Mm. That's probably what happened after a regular loan. Mm. After breaks the low, it does tend to do that. Damn. Nasdaq still don't want to see your boy win by. Mm. Gain weight. You ain't supposed to know about them accounts, man. He said, "Do everything in your power." He said, "Are we going to yesterday's close?" Shit, I don't think so. At least not right now. Sim farming. Sim farming. You're not supposed to know that I just went 100 contracts long or a million contracts long in the sim to help this to help push this up. Hmm. Hmm. Them off stream trades are undefeated. Man, who's this guy gain weight trading real money? Trading his real money instead of these sim accounts like the rest of us. Mm, mm, This shit is really dancing around my break even, man. The Nasdaq must think that blue limit is probably a stop, so she's just playing with my emotions right now. She probably thinks that's a stop. It's like, am I going to touch it? Am I going to touch it? Nah, I'm gonna let you live. I'm gonna let you live right now. I'm gonna let you live. It's okay, Nasdaq. Honestly. All right, so let's see if the orb breakout to the low is gonna be the play. Okay. She probably thought that was my stop. Don't tell her though. Don't tell her that was actually a limit. Alfred, I'm from the South. I always want to smoke from that dirty, dirty. Always want to smoke. I don't know why that made me reminded me of Geach. I really don't know why that made me think about that. That boy, real Geach. Okay. Nasdaq, I know you want to push to the upside. Just do that shit. Mm, mm. So I got into this trade and my gold trade around the same time, and I just realized that I'm already out of my gold trade completely. I guess I would have been out of this Nasdaq trade if she didn't pull back like the way she did, probably around what 9 o'clock. I mean, she just hit my target instead of being nasty like she did just there. Um, I'm still in this trade. Uh, So I was in that trade for 38 minutes. Winner turn loser. Okay. Winner turn loser. Man, I don't fuck with the Nasdaq sometimes. Okay. So we definitely had the correct read earlier. Definitely had the correct read. Had a great entry. Got that target hit. What I should have done was probably more aggressive in taking that target, that last one, and had a winner turn into a loser. Okay. And a winner turn to a loser. Mm, mm, damn. I'm not taking the Nasdaq orb no more, man. I'm looking at the ES orb now from now on. Who the hell? I'm lying. I ain't gonna look at no damn Nasdaq ES orb. All right. Well, this was my gold trade right here from earlier. You can see that I had a great start. Gold came all the way back almost to my break even before she finished me off right here. So that was a winner on gold. Uh, you know, Nasdaq. Winner to loser. Uh, Contract size. I think altogether I was in 6, 7. So my initial it was 5, and I added 6, so that was 11 contracts. 11 contracts. Bought. You know what? Maybe I should actually start documenting the time too. Mm-hmm. Hey, yo, what's up, Market Edge? What's up? You know we don't take profits. We take targets over here. We don't do that over here, Alfred. We don't take profits. We take targets. The BDE is needs to be pure and refined, and the only way to do that is by adhering to that law. Vindication is only met when price hits your target. Can I get a vindication? Vindication. Vindication only happens when you allow price to hit your target. Mm, wow. You know what, Nasdaq? I mean, you know what, Nasdaq? Like, dude, no. Oh my. Mm. All right, man. Whatever, dude. Whatever. Whatever. Man, come on, Nasdaq. Like, dude, that's man. Mm, mm. But yeah, so I was looking at 575 to about 590. Of course, the Nasdaq wanted to make me not be vindicated by giving me my initial area that I was looking for, because I saw that this was the high. So I was like, you know what? I'm pretty sure about 670 to about 690, 700 was going to be a area to look out for. So usually what I do, if I have such a big range, I try to cut off the zeros and leave the fives. So if I was looking at about like 670 to about 300, so I just shaved off and did 295 to about 275. I guess I should have kept it at 70 like I initially thought it was going to drop. But usually the Nasdaq likes to run those levels and go further. But unfortunately, in this situation, of course she didn't. Of course she didn't. Literally missing me by 3 points. Hmm. All right, man. Whatever. 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 Hmm. So yeah, Gainway, you definitely was in the right area. I mean, if I wasn't long, I would have shorted, or I would have actually flipped and looked for a short, but I wasn't given that opportunity because I'm not going to go against my target. I'm just not going to go against it. 537. Mm, mm. All right, so this is going to be my plan for this one. Either the orb short is going to work. I mean, the ES is already down bad, so I mean, it could recover, but the ES is already down bad. If I get filled in this, and if this thing squeezes higher, I'm just gonna buy the pullback. If I get stopped out, I'm gonna buy the pullback. You said you're looking for 380. You're looking for 380. Why are you looking for 380? Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense. Actually, was I also looking for 380? No, I was looking for 295. I was looking for 29. Oh, come on, Nasdaq. Nasdaq. Why? Why do you do these things? Why? 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 Why are you not pulling back to the orb low? Why? Why are you front running the orb low? Why? Pull back to the damn thing. Don't make me chase you. I don't want to chase you, but I will. Don't make me chase you. Pull back to the orb low and then reject. Oh my gosh, you're gonna make me chase her. Where are you at, Market Edge? Are you already in this short? I would hope you're in this short because longs are definitely. Yeah. All right, man. Man, she's gonna make me do it, man. Fine. Nasty. Nasty. She's gonna make me do it. She's gonna make me chase her. So what you gonna do, Nasdaq? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? You said I'm chopping it up because I'm not getting my way. That sounds about right. Mm, mm. All right, thank you. Shit. All right, now you can drop. Now drop. Now this thing pops, I'll take the loss and I'll buy the pullback because this will be definitely a trend line break. Now it'll be a trend line break. Hold on. He says, "What's up? Still holding that runner? You don't care." Okay. I mean, Smith, I don't know, man. This thing looks like it wants to thing wants to go down now. But I mean, I understand why you holding it though. I understand why you holding it. I understand, my brother. If these bears fail to hold the pullback to the orb low, I'm definitely flipping long. I'm definitely flipping. Oh shit, my bad, guys. My bad, my bad, my bad. My bad. My bad. Mm. Yeah, so it looks like all the bears went to the ES and took the short because they're the ones that got the orb low to the downside. The Nasdaq being real, she breaking hearts at this orb low right now. She breaking hearts right now. Come on, Nasdaq. Oh man, Nasdaq breaking hearts right now. Yeah. Mm. Oh shit. Mm, mm. All right, man. I'm gonna do this real quick. I'm doing this because this thing can actually kind of piss me off here. 6:24, wow. She's gonna have to learn not to do that shit. She better not be sleeping either, because I don't hear her. Okay, never mind. I was about to say my daughter is too damn quiet in that room. I was about to get up and see what the hell she was doing. 5:40, 25. All right. All right. Yeah, that's a little bit more like it, Nasdaq. Shit. I mean, you know that you're a parent when you're doing something, but then you got an ear listening to your kids. If you don't hear the destructive sound of kid noise, of them destroying their room after you clean it up 10, 20 times, and they destroy it like, yeah, this is how I want my room. When you stop hearing movement, you're like, okay, yeah, there's something wrong. Let me get up and let me go check on them. Always have an active listening ear for that. Hell yeah, dude. It's like, what the hell are you quiet for? Why you not annoying me right now? This ain't normal. You're being quiet. You're not getting on my nerves right now. It's like, Daddy, you want me to get on your nerves? There we go, baby. Oh, you. Oh, come on, man. Vindicate me, damn it. Oh, dude. Nasdaq, vindicate me. She knows I won't take it, man. She knows I won't take it, man. She knows I won't. She knows I won't. Oh, oh. Mm. Oh my god. Oh man. Oh man, Nasdaq. Now that felt good, didn't it? It felt good to miss my target and just touch my break even, huh? Mm, mm. I felt good, huh? So the thing bounced at 37. Now let's look to the left real quick and see where the hell why I needed to bounce at 37 and not hit my damn fucking target and not hit my target. Okay. Alright. He says, yeah, that sounds like what y'all would say over there at the house of taking profits. That does sound like something y'all guys say. The close position button is my friend. I'm not a patient trader, Market Edge. I'm a stubborn trader. I'm just stubborn. It just looks like patience. I want my target, damn it. I'm just a stubborn trader and it just looks like patience. Oh my God, he's so patient. No, damn it, I want what I want. Shit. But yeah. Man. But Market Edge, man, that is frustrating, man. Stubborn. Yo, yeah, Nasdaq and gold. Nasdaq and gold. Nasdaq and gold. Nasdaq and gold. I could trade the ES and be happy, but I guess I prefer the chaos. I guess. I mean, my actions definitely show that. I prefer the chaos. Hell yeah, yeah, same fun. Shit. All right, well. We'll see what happens here, man. But I don't like that. I don't like that the Bulls are trying to find support right there at that resistance trend line. I don't like that. Man, thought I changed the color. I don't like that they're finding resistance here at this resistance trend line right here. Break that shit. You know, it's just me in my stressful shorts. In the stressful shorts. This could have been a great fill my target, re-enter at my entry to take more profits, but the Nasdaq wanted to take that away from me by not filling that target the first time. Damn, dude. Like shit, Nasdaq is like that. Dude, you don't gotta be that like, dude, you don't gotta do shit like that. You can just hit my target. Like, come on, Nasdaq. Damn. Thank you. Thank you. Shit. Thank you. God damn, Nasdaq being nasty to me. Yo, hey, congratulations, Market Edge. Shit, because Nasdaq, she been man. No, we ain't doing that. Nasdaq, hit that target, man. We ain't doing that. Hit that target. Shit. Come on, Nasdaq. Damn, you ain't gotta be like that. All right, maybe I do gotta take that. Maybe I see gold. I see that the Nasdaq on the 5 minute. I see why they bought it there. Mm, 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 mm. Where did it bounce at? It bounced at 517. Bounce at 5. Nasty bitch. Okay. Oh crap! I didn't know. Oh, okay. Didn't realize. Actually, I might. Mm, we'll see. I did not want two contract sitting. I don't want two contract runner. I just want a one micro contract runner. Didn't know I had two sitting down there. No, that target ain't good enough. Shit ain't good enough. Mhm. Mhm. Nasdaq don't know what to do right now. Okay, I can live with the outcome of that. Yeah, I appreciate that game wave. Yeah, Alfred, you're absolutely right. I don't know why, dude. I don't know why. I like, dude, I literally front run levels, man, sometimes with these targets. And price still finds a way to freaking bounce before it, dude. And I might have to flip long here. Well, I don't have to do anything. I don't got. I don't have to take a follow up trade or anything. I can just let this trade ride. Mm, yeah, I can just let it ride, I guess. Mm, mm. I don't know what to do with this one. It looks like it wants to bounce on that trend line, but then we all know that the Nas. I mean, actually, you know what? Nah, nah. This thing is still going lower. I'm not gonna allow the Nasdaq to fool me. This is gonna go lower. The EMAs are telling me the story right now, and it's saying that the EMAs are saying that this shit is going lower. It might pop and stop me out. This shit's going lower for sure. Oh my god, more. When do we start getting people from the house of taking profits joining this stream? This is strictly target and vindication. We don't like you guys over there when y'all take profits. It goes against everything that we know and love. You damn right I disabled that damn. I was like, hold on, what is that? A close button? You said, nah, no, I'm not in church by myself. There's a, I was gonna say forex traders, but yeah, you kind of have to be crazy to trade forex. You got to have a certain degree of craziness because if you open up a damn position and you negative and then you have to hold it until it break even and then hold it even further for some profits, man, you just gotta be with the shits, man. We all know what it feels like when it's like, fuck it. We ain't taking profits. We want our targets, damn it. Mm. We know what we want. We just don't take anything. We just don't take anything. We know what we want. I want this level. Give it to me. I don't want anything other than that. Anything other than this level ain't good enough. Yeah, it should get the four, probably like 4.9. It should get the R2. Probably it should get at least to R2. It should get that R2 target hit. See, me and Gain Weight at the same church. We at the same church right now. We waiting for our targets. Damn it. Targets. We want targets, no profits. I want the bulk of this move. I want it. That's what I want. I hate when I come back to the market later on in the day and see that the market not only hits my target and exceeds it. No. Nah. especially when your targets get exceeded. That's, I mean, I think that's like the hardest gut punch that a trader can feel. It's like, man, you sat there and you convinced yourself that, as an example, 560 was going to be as high as it goes, and then it goes to 670, and you're like, damn, why did I thought that this thing was only going to go to 560? And then at the end of the day, this the price is sitting at 670, about to be 800. I don't know about you, but that hurts my feelings. I should have been in that. I should have had a runner participating in that. All right, man. Sherm, I think it's time to take profits. No game weight. That's blasphemous. That other church is like, hold on, it's like, no, we don't do that here. That other church is down the street. They take profits over there. Baby, come back. You can blame it all on me. Baby, I was wrong. And I just want to break even, baby. Actually, not in this situation. No, I don't need. I know I don't need to break even right now, Nasdaq. I don't need you to break even, but save that for when I need it. I shouldn't be singing such a dangerous song like that because we all know that the Nasdaq loves that song. She responds to that. She responds to that song, unlike somebody we know that doesn't respond to anything. She doesn't even respond to that. Oh man, that is just so hilarious. She doesn't even respond to that. Oh, that's hilarious. All right, baby. Mm. Well, mm. Look, 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 look. Mm, 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 mm. I'm not gonna be fooled by the Nasdaq. I'm not being fooled by her. I already see what's gonna keep me short. Until that changes, I'm gonna stay short. Until that changes, I'm gonna stay short. I mean, we might get a. I mean, just like Smith said, we might get a push at 490, but uh, we could get a push at 490. Probably put this like right here, just in case the Nasdaq wants to be nasty to me at R1. Yeah. Alpha tried to expose it. I know to stay short in this. I know not to flip long. To flip long. I know. I mean, I'm not going to tell the Nasdaq. I don't want her to know that I know. I don't want her to know that I know. But until that changes, I'm gonna stay short. Gateway says he has an indicator. Oh yeah. I forgot. Yeah. Gateway says a long time ago that he had an indicator. That he said you and your buddies coded or someone coded for you. Hmm. Oh, you're playing the beta right now? Yeah, I don't know, man. Call of Duty pissing me off, man. The only the version I play is Modern Warfare 3. Supposedly they took it off of their HQ headquarters where they got all the Call of Duties on. Uh I guess on one server. They took it off. I got the disc. I put the disc in. The thing is not even reading my disc at all. Like every time I put the disc in, it starts up the Call of Duty HQ server. It starts up that, but then Modern Warfare 3 is no longer on it. So it won't even recognize the disc as a standalone. I'm like, you know what, man? First, you did that shit with the Modern Warfare 2, and I had to go out and buy Modern Warfare 3. But I'm not spending no more money with Call of Duty, man. Y'all pissing me off. I'm not here to just give y'all money. Shit, I already bought the damn disc. I should just put it in my damn PlayStation 4 and play the shit. I mean, at this point, it's the principle. And then they know what they were doing because they made the game 50% off. And I was like, no, I ain't paying no 50% off. I already bought the damn game. Let me play my game. Trying to make me pay for something I already got. Y'all ain't slick. Trying to make it 50% off because y'all know that y'all was wrong. No, let me play my damn game. Maybe I'll probably contact PlayStation support about that shit. Maybe. If I want to play Call of Duty and I can't and I want to deal with that. It's like either y'all fix it or give me a free digital copy of it because I already bought the game. But now these gaming companies, they get into the point to where shit, even if you buy the physical copy, that don't mean nothing it doesn't mean anything anymore. They still trying to make you feel like you don't own the game. I don't know how these gaming companies and developers gotten so emboldened to the point to where there was like, yeah, you can play the game, but you don't own it. How you gonna tell me that I don't own a game that I bought? Talking about we're renting it up. It's a subscription or whatever the hell they was talking about. Yeah, buying the license. Yeah. Okay. Well, how much are they selling for, Investor Z? He said it was never. I mean, I never played Battlefield. I think I tried it out, and because it didn't move as fast and fluid as COD did at the time, I said, nah, I can't do this. But I think I did see something where they said that they're going to make the game feel more faster and fluent for COD players. Because I'm not going to lie, I'm pretty sure Battlefield is a great series and a great game. But if I can't move fast, then I mean, shit, I'm not playing it. I'm not looking for realism. I'm looking for fluent play and shooting virtual people in my free time. That's all I want. And racking up the stat. Me and Smith would play Modern Warfare 3 and shit. He will tell you I'm always on top. Always on top. A couple of games where I'm not, but most of the time I'm on top. I'm really good at Call of Duty. But I will not pay Activision because shit. Um I'm pretty sure everybody's familiar with the I mean if you had Activision before, randomly getting your account locked out and talking about you was hacking even though you weren't. And Activision wasn't going to do anything, talk about, yeah, we went through an appeal process and we're going to keep your account locked. And then you got real hackers hacking the game and they're able to play. I had that happen to one of my accounts. Talking about I was hacking. I was like, how? I'm on a PlayStation. How the hell am I hacking? And they locked that account out. I can understand if I was on a PC or something, unless you can hack PlayStation now. No, that's not what I said. I said I'm always no, no, we're not doing that because we was clearly talking about Call of Duty. Clearly, clearly. I clearly said that me and Smith play Call of Duty, and you can ask him. I was always on top. Oh. No, but no, that was still in the context of playing Call of Duty. No, no, we're not gonna do that. That's not no pause moment. We're not gonna do that. We're not gonna do that. We're not doing that. Clearly talking about Call of Duty and the leaderboards and the stats. Clearly. All right. Hmm. Infinite oil. Domain expansion. Infinite oil. All right, Nasdaq. What are you trying to do here? What are you trying to do? You trying to hurt my feelings? Is that what we is that what you're trying to do? I mean, I guess for the most part, I mean, this was a good move down. It just didn't finish the move, or it just didn't continue down. We did get a pop. This could just be a little rally. Bulls taking some profits off. Hopefully it's not a real rally where it stops me out, but uh, okay. I mean, we can tell the Bulls are trying to buy this thing, but hopefully they don't. Hopefully they're not successful here because I want my target. Oh yeah, that's it right there. I mean, at least that could be it. Why would that be a good option right now, Smith? I'm not an expert in this subject matter. Why would that be a great option right now? You said it rejected yesterday's close on the Nasdaq. It touched yesterday's close. Oh shit! Did it really? No, yesterday's close was at 444. Are you talking about ES? Mm. Does this session feel? This session feels. Uh, this session feels very heavy. I don't know if it's just me. This session feels very heavy. I feel like I've been here for at least 2 days, man. Mm. But the market is still showing me that I should stay short. It has not done what I needed to do to even consider flipping long. Because I was chasing gold last night. I mean, as crazy as this sounds, even though I did not get no sleep last night, I do feel like I can make it for the rest of the day. I'll probably take a nap later on. Probably take a nap before the evening stream. I'm pretty sure I'll be good. Oof. Are you going to vindicate me? Are you going to vindicate me? Are you going to vindicate me? I think I'm about to get vindicated here. Oof. Oh shit, where did it stop at? Where did it stop at? Okay. Oh man. Now I wonder why it stopped there instead of hitting my target. I wonder why. I know it touched 500, but damn. You know, Smith, you're absolutely right. My timer says that I've been in this trade for 46 minutes. That's what my timer currently is telling me right now. 46 minutes, and I still got a couple more points to go. Oh my God, bro. All right, man. All right, man. I mean, it's crazy how coy she's acting at these lows, yo. Like, stop with the unnecessary bounces and just go down. Shit. Like, I mean, I like, dude, I just feel attacked, bro. Like, she didn't even hit the damn trend line. Like, come on, that don't make no sense. Hit the trend line at least. I mean, but don't be so obvious about it that you don't want to hit none of my targets and make me wait on it and let any of my targets hit. Like, damn. She been hitting the trend line all damn day, and then she want like, oh, all of a sudden now my target at the trend line. Now she don't want to touch it. Come on, man. Don't be too obvious, Nasdaq. All right, man. I got like 5 more minutes, man. Like five, probably 10. Shit.
Hmm. Hmm.
I've been in this just trade for 48 minutes. Man, that's not a good thing, Smith. I mean, I wish it would hurry the hell up and trend down. This is why I don't want to trade shorts, man. The ES short, the bears on the ES short got vindicated today. The ES bears got vindicated today with the orb breakdown. I mean, I'm convinced. I think I'm just looking at the wrong instrument. I'm looking at Nasdaq for the orb, but the money is way easier on the ES. That's the only time where probably the ES is probably the better option than the Nasdaq. Because I mean, after that initial fake out, I mean that second breakout to the downside on the ES orb, I mean, it stopped you out the first time, but it definitely gave you your money back the second time. I mean, from the orb, price has traded about 40 points to the downside. 40 points on an ES orb. And the Nasdaq struggling. The Nasdaq hasn't even hit 100 points from the damn orb yet. That's like 10K on a 6 lot, if I'm not mistaken. That's like 12K on a 6 lot. So someone, if they TP just now at these lows, they're up 12K on a 6 lot. On a 10 lot, but no, I mean shit. ES traders trades a 10 lot. That's 40,000 or times 10. That's a $20,000 day on the ES. Shit, Nasdaq, she is doing everything but hitting that damn target, dude. Come on, vindicate me. That's all I want. I just want to be vindicated here. That's it. Yeah, Gangway is holding out on the indicator. Hmm. Where can the Nasdaq go? So it looks like gain weight is trying to trade a double bottom, but gain weight, I don't know, man. I don't know. There's a strong low at 450 that price might double bottom at for temporarily. I got about 3 minutes, man, and I can't babysit this shit no more. I'm just gonna let it run. Yo, congratulations on. Oh yeah. Congrats. I'm happy for you. Looks like the Nasdaq is doing everything except hitting that target. I don't know why though. I don't know why. Don't know why. I don't know why the Nasdaq chose not to hit the trend line during that last leg down when she was literally doing it the entire session. Hmm. Damn, Smith, where's your entry at? Where's your entry? You say you've been in this since 11 o'clock? So are you around like what, 450 or something like that? I mean, there's a strong low at 450. Anything if price drops below 450, that can get real dangerous. That can get real dangerous if it drops below 450. And that's why gain weight is targeting. He said what, 388, the session lows. You don't want to see price. We don't want to see price actually go below that strong low right there. You don't actually want to see that. If you're a bull, Oh shit. All right, one more minute. This thing has. Man, I got one more minute here. Mm, cutting it close. Come on, vindicate me, baby. That's it. Just vindicate me. That's it. That's all I'm asking for. I got 10 seconds. Come on, baby. Vindicate me. Damn, that's all you gotta do, baby. Come on. Mhm. Oh, so 490 is the midnight open? Is that why we're getting so much resistance at this damn level? Okay. Darn. I need to end the stream. Okay, guys, we'll come back tomorrow. It would have been nice if NQ actually hit the target. Well, I'm ending the stream now. All right, I've ended the stream. NQ, I don't know why you couldn't have hit my target. It would have been nice to have you hit the target on stream, but now that the stream is ended, I guess you can hit it now. For whatever reason. For whatever reason, this level is like super strong. I don't understand why. I feel like the market can literally go lower than this. I understand that people could be buying this at 500, but 500 is not going to stop here. So I mean, this little song and dance that the market is doing at this level right now, I just don't understand it. But all right, guys, that's it for me. We'll definitely come back this evening, and we'll definitely look for more opportunities to earn some more money. And with that said, peace out, everybody. Have a good afternoon.